Wadofo mame ma kwaba emra Adom TV. Jumedi we eye Nkuranhyensem jumedi a wo hwe ne samre. Na memfa na asesoro nkoma se wa pemre na yeto na montuo we kosi emra jumedi we beba wiye. Me amete dwom a me di jumedi ho chia me osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. I want to ask you a simple question. Have there been times where you really wanted to reach a goal, then suddenly you felt like you can't do it again? Say, what and shadi hurubi? Ebanu wabrabo mu, wapomu nimu, usika semu, wajumamu, any mpo awademu. Na wakoda na you say adie chi ade with the meye manaso ani. And so adie chi na asa waboma agu. To every person listening to me right now, there comes a moment in your life where you are almost at the point of achieving a goal. Then suddenly something stops you. Emra na we see nkete ayani ase oye na ase wo di wanamuntuo edi wo da eso no abrabo mu hihye ya kire no. Ade betime twa wonam mu na ama sebe watoba ha na wagya dia wo yo. Na ugya kura to bia wo na ase bibia Kenya ho. Sorry koyo. Obetima yo sorry koyo. Yemebre na emre bitimi eba asa ya hihye ho yie. Enso hihye na enso nyoma epese ye no so. Ebia na unyini du mpampansuo bi no. Wo hwe awidie mu a osika sem ne netie no meware. Heda prisla tiwe meware. Nanso okwa awade mu no enye se da wodwen fa awade ho na akoto no be ma akohia no se friend Richmond se friend Mark unim obe mark register ofie sa enunti na ase wabamabu me nyamu ana me nkomanim. Yes, we all face limitations at a certain point in our life. If I were to ask you this question, what is that single thing you think you can do to make your life become the best life in the world? What will it be? So me bisa said, dear partner, that come so for say wuti me yan neck and now watchina be mo abrabo adimu ede ade na se wo hwe awade din ya betimi ayo ba kope na awade aye fe e ba no apomu din mu a ede ne ade ba ko betimi ayo na mo apomu din aye yie usika sem ede ne ade ba ko a betimi aka se meyo na mabrabo ni misika sem awade aye yie. We were all made with a purpose. Botai bi ene sidio ye nani so. Obia wo botai nti a ote wiase. And as a result, we were given unique gifts or talents to achieve the purpose of our lives. And into Onyankopon emma won kwa nimdie bi esubi ene ade bi etewu mu ya betimi ama wayi ubotai na mana adedi. When you identify your passions, when you identify your talents and blend them with knowledge, skills, and good behavior, you realize that you are entering into the domain of becoming the person you dream of becoming. However, don't forget, there are always going to be limitations. One of the major things you need to begin to learn from today is how to deal with the mental, physical, emotional and spiritual limitations of your life. Life comes with limitations and our roadblocks and our mental blocks. It is up to you not to blame, but to seek how you can overcome these limitations. Bisa on said, I consider wa brabum. Then they su quantum in sorry exercise. Then they su quantum in the other part. Untimin nanda. Then they see quite not untimin no yerin kaksa kwampaso. Na ukrusu no kasa woni se de nkasa wo fie mu kiane ke bibi akwansidie wa abrabo na wo ya akwansidie ni wi a ubo se abrabo de na watimi aka say this is the day the Lord has made, I will rejoice and be glad in it. Me mpa abo se na de woni baje na wadi awurusie woni da mu na oda so nyina aba mu na akwansidie nyina firi akwan mu aha na meja wo na me na ase akoma me production team Mark Weber, Richmond, Priscilla, Ejawe Kampedu, and Adom TV, you might call for your camera, sound, MCR, lighting, and floor managers. You know, Medamun, you know, I say, well, young American, me there, because I'm out even not Adom TV. Since the Abana Dosso, we know Yame, and Tina.